Hey guys, Jack here from Nothing But Tech, and a lot of people on their channels do a series called Top 5 Best Android Apps or Top 10 Best Android Apps or Android Apps you need to download, and I'm going to do my own take on that. So every month I'm going to do a Top 10 Best Android Apps video to give you guys some apps you guys should be playing or using for productivity, and it will really encompass productivity apps, wallpaper apps, game apps, really anything as games. So if you have a suggestion for an app for next month, drop it in a comment down below, and it could be from the Play Store, it could be from the Amazon Underground store like we're doing in today's video. But yeah, just say it in the comments down below and I'll check it out. We're kicking off the pilot episode with an awesome look at Amazon Underground application. I want to give a huge shout out to Amazon for not only showing me this great resource to get great applications for less money, but for also sponsoring this first episode. The store works in conjunction with Amazon Coins, which I'll be discussing in a little bit, but basically if you don't know what the store is, it's a great place to get great paid apps on discounts or for no money at all, and to also find great unknown games and applications as a whole. So yeah, if you want to check it out, it is free, so you can use the first link in the description down below to be able to download it on your Android device and then get to using it and downloading awesome applications. Okay, so coming in at number 1 is a game called Geometry Dash. So this game comes in at $1.99, but since it's through the Amazon App Store, you can use Amazon Coins with it. So I'll explain better in a little bit what Amazon Coins are. Basically, they're a virtual currency that enables you to save money the more you buy. So you can buy this game for 199 coins, which ends up saving you money in the long run if you're planning on buying multiple apps. But aside from how you actually buy it, once you have it downloaded, Geometry Dash is one of the most addicting games that you can play. It's very difficult at first, but once I got the hang of the game, I wanted to keep trying to surpass what I did in the last round, and I found it to be perfect to just pick up and play while I was in a waiting room, or I just had a little bit of free time and I wanted to just do something that was mindlessly fun. Overall though, I would definitely recommend this game for you guys to pick, and you can download this game with the link in the description down below, as with every other thing that I mentioned in this video. My second pick is also a game, but it takes a different, fast-paced approach. The game is called Brittle, and it offers a nice background track with graphics that pulsate to the music. The concept is simple. There is a track filled with obstacles, and as you make your way further and further down the track, the course changes and gets progressively harder and harder. I found myself playing this game anytime I had a free second, and I would say that it's a must-have to add to your gaming collection on your device. So games are fun, but how about when you have to get things done? Well, my two selections here have you covered. Weather Live is a great weather application which offers an extremely clean design with graphics that correspond to the forecast, and the information is very neatly laid out. It shows the local time, date, hourly forecast, and temperature alongside the precipitation level, humidity, pressure, visibility, and weekly forecast. Although it packs all this information, it is extremely clean and minimal, and it is by far one of my favorite weather applications of all time. Sticking with productivity applications, my next pick is File Commander, which lets you view all the files on your device. So it shows you all of the files on your device in categories. It is a great way to keep track of what you are storing on your device, and it makes it easy to find certain files you may want to move or delete. Alright, so moving away from organization and productivity applications, this next one is just kind of to have fun, and it is one of those games you can just pick up and play when you have a free second. It is called Brain Escape, and it has increasingly hard levels with a simple concept of getting into a portal, with different obstacles along the way, and harder trails as you progress through the levels. So another app that is just like this in terms of the fact that you can just pick it up and play, and that the fact that it's really addicting, is called BB Racing. BB Racing is a game that packs phenomenal graphics, intuitive controls, and endless fun. There's not much else to say here, but I would definitely recommend you giving it a try if you like race type games. Finishing up games on this list, my final pick is Pro Pinball. It takes all the good things about a retro pinball machine and it bakes it into an application that essentially lets you carry around a pinball machine in your pocket. The music, the controls, and the nostalgic feeling that it gives you make this app a must download for anyone that spent their childhood over a pinball machine. So the last two applications are for productivity. The first one is essentially a PDF scanner. It lets you take quick pictures of documents or actual pictures, and then it makes it into a PDF with the ability to edit different things about the image like brightness, contrast, and different effects to make the text look clearer on the documents. I found this extremely useful in situations where I needed to send someone a photo that I actually had, or a form for something while I was on the road and I didn't have an actual scanner. So it's definitely something that I could recommend to anyone that travels a lot and needs to be able to scan in documents or pictures. The final app is Money Control, which lets you calculate and categorize your expenses to stay on budget, which in concept sounds great, but the execution was also flawless. From the layout to the functionality, the creators really did a great job making this application a very useful tool to many people. So those are my top 10 apps that I found in the Amazon Underground App Store. If you want to download any of them, or you want to download the actual Amazon Underground App Store, that of course will be linked in the description down below. But before I head out, I want to quickly talk about Amazon Coins, which can be used in conjunction with the Amazon Underground App Store. Simply put, Amazon Coins is a virtual currency that can be used to buy applications and make in-app purchases. Using Amazon Coins can save you up to 10% on applications and in-app purchases, so the main thing here is saving you cash. Basically, the more you buy, the more you save. Using Amazon Coins is really intuitive, and if you plan on spending your hard-earned cash in the Amazon Underground App Store, I would definitely recommend buying some coins to save yourself some money. So alongside actually saving you money, Amazon also runs some promotions with the Amazon Coins along with applications to get some special deals with that, and that obviously is updated pretty regularly, so you can check that out on the actual Amazon Underground App Store. So I'll drop a link to both Amazon Coins, all the applications I showed in this video, and the Amazon Underground App Store, as I said before, in the description down below. Let me know what you thought of this episode, and let me know if you're going to use the Amazon Underground App Store. I would highly recommend it. Again, thank you to Amazon for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Bye!